Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT to clean up messy notes into documents. So basically, these notes can be related to your phone notes or any of the meeting notes. So let's get started with the video. So we have a note created here for our business meeting. I've mentioned it here. What we need to do, we need to just copy this messy notes which we have created. We need to go and open ChatGPT and mention that paste that particular note. Then next you can write create the messy notes into proper clean notes, and we can mention any other prompt if needed, for example, and it should be in professional manner. Give this prompt to ChatGPT with the messy notes and they will start creating the proper clean notes. As you can see here, proper clean notes has been created. What you can do next is you just need to copy this note over here, or you can right click and copy it, or the next thing you can click on Control C and it will get copy from your keyboard. Go to the Word doc and paste it over here. Control V or right click or paste. So as you can see, the messy notes has been converted to a clean, proper formal notes given by the ChatGPT. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.